Oh shit.
Start to slowly turn the passenger of the steering wheel.
Sorry, we didn't. All I saw was dust behind me, dude. Jack underneath my seat, unless I take everything out of it.
I'm trying to figure out.
Zach Huck here, and this morning we're getting this Renegade down off Tincup Pass. We brought this homemade UnHUCKinater, and we need to slip it over this tie rod in here. It's gonna first go over this end, as well as over this end. But first, as you can see, we need to grind down this stud so we can get this nut off. So, let's get to that. As you can see, we've just cut some divots and kind of flattened out the tie rod here, and that's so our bolts have something to grab onto, as opposed to just the smooth cylindrical shape of the tie rod. Come back with it. Other way one more time.